Hola a todos, soy Mark. Bienvenidos al canal de YouTube Langproft. Hi everybody, I'm Mark. Welcome to the Langproft YouTube channel. Today we're going to be working on questions in the present simple with yes and no answers. We're going to have fun and you're going to learn a lot. So come on, let's get started. Okay, so let's start today with the closed questions. What are closed questions? A closed question is a question where either the answer is yes or no. So we can say, for example, if you remember, how do you form an affirmative sentence in present simple? I am. Okay, you are, he is, sure. Okay, I am here. Okay, I am here. So what do we do? What we're going to do is we're going to take our subject pronoun, I, and we're going to take the verb to be am, and we're going to switch them. We're going to switch them. That's going to help us to form the question in present simple. So affirmative sentence, I am Mark. Question, okay, am I Mark? Okay, so the answer is either going to be yes or no. So I am Mark. Am I Mark? Okay, yes, yes I am. We're going to look at how the sentences relate affirmative, negative, and questions. It's all very close. It's very easy. We just need to listen and repeat if we want to answer. So let's look at the structures here. Remember, we have our subject pronouns. Yo, tú, él, ella, eso, nosotros, y ellos. I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. And then we have our translation for the verbs ser or estar. We have the verb to be. Okay, remember our conjugations in present simple for the verb to be. Am, is, and are. Okay, now what do we have? We have our subject pronouns I, you, he, she, it. And we have our conjugations of the verb to be, am, is, and are. We put them together. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, they are. Okay, so let's try a sample sentence. Él es un doctor. He is a doctor. Okay, he is a doctor. How do we make a sentence? Remember, we need to switch the subject pronoun and the verb to be in this case. So, he is a doctor becomes, is he a doctor? Okay, let's take a look at some other examples. Here we have an example, he is happy. All right, remember, to make a question, we have to switch the subject pronoun and the verb. He is happy becomes, is he happy? And then we have to add the question mark to make it a question. Okay, next example, okay, it is an apple. It is an apple. Okay, remember, switch the subject pronoun and the verb. Is it an apple? Okay, great. Now, we're going to take a look at the short answers. Remember, we have the affirmative answers and the negative answers. If we're going to form the short answers, let's look at our question. Okay, in this example here, he is a policeman. Okay, él es un oficial or él es un policía. Él es policía. So remember, to form a question, we switch the subject pronoun and the verb. Okay, is he a policeman? Look at the answer. Yes, he, subject pronoun plus the verb again. So we have to change back into an affirmative sentence. Is he a policeman? Yes, he is. Okay, negative answer. Is he a policeman? No, he is not. Again, we have to change and add the subject pronoun and the verb. Another question. ¿Estás feliz? Are you happy? Affirmative or negative? Yes, I am. No, I am not. Very good. Yes, I am. No, I am not. All right, let's take a look here at some more examples. Is she a cleaning woman? Here is the affirmative answer. Yes. Yes, she is. Is it a table? No, it is not. Are we happy? Yes, we are. Is he a doctor? Yes, he is. All right, you got a lot of information. Now you know how to form short answers, affirmative answers, and negative answers. So let's try some practice. Here's some practice exercises for us. You can pause the video here, and when you're ready with your answers, just hit play again. All right, great job. Let's check your answers. All right, first we have, is he happy? Is he happy? And the affirmative answer, yes, he is. Next, is this a table? Negative answer, no, it is not. Next, is she a doctor? Answer, no, she is not. Well, here we have some more practice. Let's try another exercise. You can pause the video here, and when you're ready with your answers, just hit play again. All right, let's check the answers. Is she tired? No, she is not. Are they here? Yes, they are. Is she happy? Yes, she is. All right, everybody, great job. We did a lot today. We worked on questions in present simple for nouns. Is he happy? Okay, and then we did short answers, affirmative and negative. Yes, he is. No, he isn't. All right, good job. We're going to load up some extra practice exercises for you so you can practice with your new questions. And everybody, that's it for today. Fantastic job. Please send me a comment and let me know what you think, or if you have any questions. I'm very, very happy to help you. So everybody, fantastic job today. Have a great week. I will see you next week. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.